We'll be speaking to Dr. Dennis J. Halmy, a board-certified general surgeon who completed his residency at the Brooklyn Hospital Center in New York. Dr. Halmy has performed over 1,500 gastric bypass surgeries and over 100 laparoscopic gastric bands. He is one of the pioneers in the field of weight loss surgery and has contributed numerous research papers in this area. Dr. Halmy, can you describe for us what happens during gastric bypass surgery?
Okay, gastric bypass surgery is an operation to reduce the size of the stomach. So a normal stomach is about the size of a football. After the gastric bypass, the size of the stomach will be about the size of an egg. So you can imagine the big change of how much a person can eat after this type of surgery. In addition to this, the food that gets into that reduced stomach will not pass through the full length of the intestinal channel. So some of the nutrients will not be completely digested and absorbed. So that's another reason why patients after the gastric bypass lose the weight.
And laparoscopic band surgery is a different type of surgery?
Banding is a different type of operation. The band surgery is a little less complex operation. That's why it's a little more attractive, because it's a less drastic change. The banding surgery will slow down the passage of the food through the stomach. The band will create a narrow channel, and the food needs to pass through that channel. And the patients will feel fullness in their stomach as long as the food is in that narrow channel. So the band surgery will only help patients to eat slower and eat smaller portions. It does not interfere with the digestion or absorption.
How do you determine which type of surgery will be performed on a potential candidate?
That's a very complex issue. Most patients will benefit from either surgeries, and we learned this over many years doing different types of weight loss surgeries, that it's not really the surgery, it's not what type of procedure we do, it's how the patients are able to change after the surgery. Someone who needs to lose a large amount of weight, in other words, needs to lose maybe 120 pounds or more, usually the gastric bypass will be a more successful surgery because it will give a bigger, quicker weight loss.
Which type of surgery do you prefer more, either the gastric bypass or the laparoscopic band surgeries?
Usually, at least until this year, we have done more bypass surgeries than bandings, but it seems like the band surgery is becoming more accepted or popular, so we do more and more of those.
Today on Experts on Demand, we've been talking to Dr. Dennis J. Halmy of the Blue Point Surgical Group with locations in Vienna and Woodbridge, Virginia. Thank you so much for joining us today, Dr. Halmy. You've given us a lot of very good information.